What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase the sound volume of the alarm on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your iPhone settings app. Here, tap Sounds and Haptics. These options allow you to adjust your ringtone and alert volume. Proceed to drag the slider right to increase the volume. As you drag, the alert will play, which will help you determine how loud the alarm should be. When enabling the Change with Buttons option, you'll be able to adjust your alarm volume by using your iPhone's physical volume buttons. Toggle this option on or off to your liking. If you still notice a low or no alarm volume at all, then your alarm sound isn't set correctly. Open the Clock app. Here, head to the Alarm tab and tap Edit. Choose the alarm you want to use and then tap Sound to choose the correct alarm sound. This option might have been set to None, resulting in only vibrations when your alarm is activated. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.